Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duo with your friend in Dress to Impress game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, open up this menu and select duo. Simply click on duo and then you can pick your duo here. You can click on invite and the invitation will be sent to your friend, and you just need to wait for your friend until your friend accepts your invitation. And remember guys, you can only do the duo with your friend. So if you haven't been friend with a player, make sure that you have already added the player as your friend so you can do the duo. Okay guys, and that's how we can do duo and Dress to Impress game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.